afternoon. My name is Pat Wilkins here with MarineMax on Wrightsville Beach. Today I have an awesome listing to show you guys. It's a new to market 2019 Robalo R202 Explorer. This thing is equipped with a 150 Yamaha with only 22 hours on it. Still a couple years of warranty left on it because he got the extended package. This boat is loaded. Step aboard. Towards the cockpit of this Robalo, we have a nice aft bench here with access to the swim platform and swim ladder on your starboard side. But underneath here, we have something special. We've got lots of storage, 5-gallon bucket spot, so you don't have a bucket lying around everywhere. And under here, you've got access to your Livewell. Nice size Livewell right there with the blue interior. These sit nicely and snap down right there. And under the leaning post here, you have room for a cooler. Not only that, but you have a locking mechanism to support the cooler so it's not sliding around and hurting anybody's toes. So moving forward on this thing, my favorite part of any boat, the helm. You'll notice on this Robalo, it's a nice setup. You've got your Simrad flush mounted in the center. You've got your Yamaha digital gauges here on the right side. You've got switches on the right and left side. Clarion marine stereo system unit right there. VHF, easily accessible. Wheel with the suicide knob, tilting helm, and the Yamaha controls right here. Everything right where you need it. Perfectly laid out for the fisherman or the family man. My second favorite part of every boat is the bow. This one has a very nice bow setup. It's got room for everybody to sit down, lounge. You've got fish boxes under here for your hardcore fishermen. We've got a forward-facing bucket seat here in front of the console. And when you open the console up, you've got a head unit down there. Really nice to have a head on board so that everybody can go to the bathroom comfortably. Moving forward on this boat, you've got access to the anchor locker. Got the anchor situated perfectly with some locks on there so it's not bouncing around. Got your nav lights. You've got collapsing cleats with the Robalo logo on them. This boat is awesome. Come take a look. So that was a real quick look at this 202 Robalo. If you guys have any questions, give me a call on my cell at 239-249-4345. Again, this is Pat Wilkins with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. Visit our website at marinemax.com if you want to look at some other boats. Give me a call today and we'll get you out on the water. Thank you.